10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 150. Long fast 3 left. And middle over flat crest. 100 down. Care. 2 right opens to 4 right past lane. 300 down. Flat left, 230. To turn, hairpin left, slippy. Narrow and exit. 130 down, slippy through great. To turn unseen, tight hairpin right, remember. And through gates, 60 over grass. Flat right, 100. Care, 4 left over crest, slippy. Opens to 5. Only 60, slippy, short 3 right, in maybe. 60. Flat 5 left. 100. Turn square right around bail, hairpin left around bail. 100. Care. 4 right and long tight 4 left over crest, camber. Watch it. 80. Long 2 left. 40. Flat right. 130. Flat crest, 300. Long 6 right. And very long 5 right in over crest. It's going to continue 150. To care 3 right at Lone Tree. And long 5 right continues 130. 230. Flat left. Into right on flat, fast crest, 5 left in. 250 down. 5 left, 130 to chicane, right entry. 3 bails. 200 up the middle. Very long 4 left nips. And fast 3 left in. up.